Behold! The new retro gaming system is here! Message from the future! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new message from the future. So in today's video we are going to talk about the retro game. The retro game from a friend from China. I already did some reviews about them, a lot of reviews. I talk about the retro game for funny playing. I talk about the retro game with the rocker. Little bit bummer was only 30 screen and got a shitload of screen tearing. Nevertheless, we have the solution for a problem. We're having here the 60hz version. So the first thing that I was thinking with this product, couldn't you do that the freaking first place? Just release the stupid thing with this great screen. No, first I bought the first version with the shitty screen. Nevertheless, alright, so we have here the retro game. We're having a white version. So there are some little differences. For example, if you look at this one, it doesn't have this, do you call this a bezel or something? This little sidebar, this silver sidebar. Look at, I'm going to give you a little example. You can see it. This is the good version. And this one doesn't even have this little silver stripe. So it's a little bit weird if you ask me. Okay, what? Wait, what? Seriously? They are selling it with a dual stick? Oh my god! What the hell are they thinking? I must say the position of the stick is way better than the previous model. What? I think this is an error. Okay people, I am at this point and I want to order them both. Just to see what I'm getting in, because no, you're serious. Seriously, are you going to get this dual stick? Oh, that would be the next level of shittiness. But yeah, nevertheless. So what we're going to get is exactly the same product like the previous model, with a dual analog stick or a D-pad and a joystick. I hate it when it's on this position because you need to play like this. I don't like it at all. Let me know what you think of this. But they're saying having a 60hz IPS screen. Let's see, we have some more information. 14,000 game people. Wow. This is a little bit overkill. OpenDingux system. So they are using the retro FW system, which you can basically just download and update yourself. But it is, I'm hoping it's running way better on this system. Oh, they even putting here all the games are on it, or the amount of games. Ooh, nutty. I'm very curious, how does the screen looks? Is it a real EPS screen? 60 Hz, no screen tearing. Saying already here, no screen tearing. Alright, so 60 frames. The weird thing is that they are showing this. This is not the retro FW system, but nevertheless. 10 emulators, 60 gig internal storage. I'm very curious, what are we going to get? I'm seriously thinking of buying both of these things with extra on this. I just want to see if they are making they're making an error with this, making a mistake with this picture, or they basically adding an extra. That would be fun. Alright, so this is what we're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. Again, I think you will agree with me that they needed to do this with the first place. You know what I'm trying to say with this. That they needed to do this the first time. That they just needed to release the great version with 60 Hz. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. It's just teasing us with the 30Hz screen. To be honest, it runs good, it got a nice screen, but it's a bummer that it has the screen tearing bullshit. So yeah, this is what we're going to get. When it comes in, make a review ASAP. Well, I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell because you get notified for upcoming videos. So, see you next time.